How to fix Safari not loading web pages. So first of all, go ahead to the general settings, scroll a little bit down till you find the Safari, click on it, and after you find it, just scroll a little bit down until you find the last option, which is advanced. So I'm gonna click on it right here. You're gonna see multiple options. Go ahead and click the first option, which is website data. So I'm gonna wait off for a few moments right here. And after you saw all of your website data, go ahead and remove all website data and confirm that you want to remove it right at this second. And after you remove it, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back to your general settings right here, scroll a little bit up until you find the screen time, click on it, and you're gonna see in the screen time everything that you need, that limit usage, communication, and restrictions. Focus on the restrictions right here, click on it right here. You're gonna see multiple options. You're gonna see 3 highlighted options: allowed apps, iTunes and app store purchases, and content restrictions. So I'm gonna click the third option, and what you're gonna see here, you're gonna see multiple options. Focus on the web content, click on it. If you click the limit adult websites or the allowed websites, it's gonna limit your access to some sort of websites. So please make sure that you kept it on the unrestricted access, so you can actually get access to all the unaccessible websites. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.